Welcome, it's along with a Bocoin K800, and today I will show you how to add a security screen to the device. So to get it enabled, you will want to go into the settings and then settings security right here. And at the top you will see security screen, and it's set to swipe, so whenever you press the power button you still need to swipe up. But if you tap on it, you have a couple other options like voice unlock, pattern, pin, password, or none. None would be basically when you press the button it automatically goes to the home screen. Now I will show it for the pattern, but you can choose whatever else you like. So if I draw it and redraw the same pattern again and confirm it, then I get a little notification of how I want the notification to be displayed once when the device is locked. So you can show it, hide it, it's just a matter of preference. And now when I lock the device, try to get access to it, I will need to put the pattern in. Now when you go to it again, the options, you can choose whatever else. Pattern is what we chose. PIN is basically a 4-digit number. Password is any kind of password that you like. And yeah, and voice activation, unlock, I haven't tried, so can't really say. But yeah, so you can choose whichever one you like. If I select PIN, I need to put in the PIN, and then again confirm it, the same PIN again, and now it's changed. So if I try to unlock it now, instead of the pattern, I'll have a PIN like so. So that is basically how you set a lock screen security. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.